This is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels.
Hey guys, Miss McKay here. So today what we're going to learn is if we have an expression and we have a variable which we know the value of, how to plug in the value of that variable for the letter that it represents, and how to simplify it using everyone's favorite, PEMDAS. So let's get started. And if you forgot what PEMDAS was, it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It's our order of operations, or which order we do things to simplify. So our first example, what we're going to do is, because they give us the fact that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6, we're going to take our expression, and wherever we see an x, we're going to replace it with a 4, and wherever we see y, we're going to replace it with a 6. I always love to plug in with parentheses. So where I see a y, it's now becoming a 6 divided by 2 plus, now instead of x, we're writing 4. Now, if we remember PEMDAS, what comes first, division or addition? The answer is division. So we're going to take 6 divided by 2 and get 3. Let's rewrite the rest of our problem. From here, our last step is just to add 3 plus 4. If you said 7, you would be correct. And that's the answer. For our second example, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to plug in a -2 where we see an x and an 8 where we see a y. So let's do that. 2 times, instead of x, we're writing -2 and we're squaring that. Minus, instead of a y, we're subtracting an 8. So let's rewrite PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Out of all the operations of multiplication, exponents, and subtraction, exponents come first. Now remember, -2 squared means -2 times -2. That's positive 4. So we will replace -2 squared with a 4. Let's rewrite the rest. Now we check back up into PEMDAS. Our next operation that we have to do is multiplication. It comes before subtraction. So we're going to do 2 times 4, which is 8. And we rewrite the rest. From here, well, 8 minus 8 is 0. And that's our answer. Our last example is a fun one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to plug in 4 where we see an x and plug in 9 where we see a y. So let's rewrite our expression with our variables plugged in. So instead of an x, we're writing a 4 squared. Minus, instead of a y, we're writing a 9. And then let's rewrite the rest of the expression. So remember, in PEMDAS, it starts with a P. So we have to worry about this parentheses over here first. So let's do that. We have division and addition in this parentheses. And we know by PEMDAS, we do division first. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we'll rewrite the rest. From here, we have to finish out the parentheses by adding 3 plus 6, which is 9. From here, we can rewrite the rest and solve for our exponents. 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, which is 16. Our final answer is 16 minus 9, which is 7. Lucky number 7. If you have any questions on this video or any of my other videos, you can send me a message on Instagram at Miss McKay Math. Have a good day.